Hello everyone, I'm Clarice Jamie Reyes and I'm gonna show you how to make something from nothing. Now first, I'm gonna need some paper. But wait a minute. Okay, I'll be right back. And I'll show you how. If you have an invitation like this, if you don't have an invitation, it means you're not invited to the party. Like, you know, example, you know that there's a birthday, then you don't have invitation. That means you're not invited to the party of a birthday or some births like that. And we will go to our family like this. This is the sign. See? See that? And this is the Clark. This is my cousin, Clark Alpha Red. He's nice, but he's still small. It's like for a month or 2 months, like that. I don't know. So this is my invitation and I hope you learn some invitation like that. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.